How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps to find the business owners, obviously. Then we will go to Fiverr. After we find the business owners, we're going to go to fiverr.com in order to hire the freelancers who know how to remove bad reviews or how to create websites, because we are going to offer the website creation uh, service as well, and also we are going to offer the social media management services, but that depends on the profile of the business owner. You can check the profile, see if they need a website, if they have one, if they need a renovation or not. So you can see all of these things while we check their profile. So let's get started by showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do that. So here first, just go to your favorite browser, then open Google Maps, and then go to the search, type the United States, which is the market we're going to work on, and it's the best market to work on this business. And here zoom in on the United States here, and let's choose a city. For example, let's choose Missouri in here. Let's zoom in on Missouri here. Let's zoom in and just make sure to go to the search and search for the type of small businesses you'd like to work with. For example, let's go with, I don't know what we're going to choose. Let's choose plumbers, for example. Plumber in here. So you can choose hair salons or hairdressers, auto repair, or any other small business you'd like to work with. So here, in order to find the best profiles to reach out to, or the best profiles that can be our prospects, make sure always to check their profile in here. Make sure always to pay attention to the how many reviews they have. If they've got more than 150 reviews, don't reach out to them. They are very big. They won't need your services. So just make sure to always check the reviews and go for ones like this: 83 reviews, 90 reviews, 69. Those are the profiles that we're going to reach out to, and it's preferably the ones that don't have a website, because as I said in the beginning, we are going to offer the website creation service as well. So here, let's check the first one with 83 reviews, Central Mall All Service Plumbing. And here, let's scroll down, and it seems like they have a website. So let's check their website to see if it needs any renovation, and it needs renovation for sure. As you can see, it looks like a blog, not even a website. It's very old. You need to scroll to the left in order to see the rest of the website. So they would certainly need a renovation of this website. It's very old, as you can see, and it's powered by Website Builder. So here, let's close the website. So that's the first service we're going to offer them. Then let's scroll down to see if we can find some bad reviews that the business would like to remove. So here, let's scroll down, 5-star review. Let's click on more reviews, see if we can find bad reviews in here. Let's scroll down. So this is the first bad review we've got here. $990 to clear routes and sorta explain what they thought they knew about the downstream problem. Never even thought about the upstream problem. Wasted grand. Call a real plumber and get it fixed right the first time is my advice. Save yourself a pile of cash. Avoid. So this one is a very bad review for the business or for any other business to say avoid and period. That's very bad for the business. So you can just take a screenshot of this review for the future when we are going to reach out to them, send them the picture of this review and say that this review is going to cost them a lot of money because it's going to take clients from them, and also it's going to give them a bad reputation in the market, which will result in losing a lot of money too, because this is what we're going to use in order to convince them to buy or purchase our services. And also people always concentrate more on the negativity more than the positivity, as you can see in here. So let's scroll down. Another bad review: had a clog in our waste water line. They wouldn't give us an estimate on how much it would be to check it out. Worked on it for 1 hour, didn't fix the issue, still wouldn't give an estimate. Ended up being charged $500, and 200 of that was just to remove the toilet, and never communicated that would be such an extra charge. Was very clear that it was in our pipes and would have to schedule for them to hydrogenate it. Even more expensive, new plumber company came out and cleared the line for 225, no toilet removal charge, and said the issue was in the city's pipes, not ours. So this is another very bad review. As you can see, they charged them way more than what they needed to be charged, and that's very bad for the reputation of the business. So those are the two services we're going to offer them. The first one is the website renovation, and the second one is the bad reviews removing. And in order to deliver those two services, we will go to fiverr.com. After we will get paid, after the business owners pay us, obviously, then we will take the money. For example, these two services that we're going to offer them will leave us at $300 to $400. The business owners will pay us $300 to $400. Then we will go to fiverr.com here, and we will search for website creators, which is the first service we're going to offer them. Then the second one is removing the bad reviews. So that's the second service we're going to search for. And here we're going to hire website creators for just $80 or $90, which will leave us with $220 if you got paid $300. Then you will hire someone to remove the bad reviews for $25, and you will be left with more than $200 without even learning any skill or doing any hard work. So I think, guys, you get the idea of how you can apply this method. Just make sure to be patient and send a lot of outreach and do a lot of cold calling, because it's not easy to land a client. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.